Hi and welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video. My name is Shannon and today I will be giving you a tour on this Volkswagen approved used Golf style. This model is a 1.4 litre petrol hybrid DSG, 204 PS, finished in a deep black paint. This vehicle does come with a 2-year Volkswagen warranty as well as 2 years roadside assistance. So if you'd like to find out more information, then please give us a call on 01978 340 600. So today I'll be giving you a 360-degree walk around, then I'll jump inside and I'll go in further details on the interior features. So starting at the front, we have your illuminated front grille. This car features your 18-inch Dallas alloys, which are an additional feature, giving the car a sporty look. Then moving further down the vehicle, we also have your rear tinted glass, again as an additional option, offering extra privacy and security for the rear. And then taking a glance inside the rear interior, we have your art velours finish, which is again additional. Your rear passengers have access to climate controls in the back to keep a full car comfortable. Then taking around to the back of the car to support your parking and tight manoeuvres, we do have a rear parking camera as another additional extra, including your sensors to give you that boost of confidence. Then showing you a glance inside the boot space, we've got a really good space available. The rear seats also fold down if you ever did need some additional space. You've got your load through to store anything long. You've got your charging cables in there as well. Panning around, you've got your sporty rear roof spoiler. And then taking a glance inside the front interior, we've got your multi-function steering wheel followed by your art velours cloth followed into the front. Manual adjustments are available for yourself and your front passenger to help you both find the most safe and comfortable position to travel in. Then as another additional option, we do also have your panoramic sunroof, which really brightens up the interior. So that does conclude the first part of the video. So in the second part, I'll jump inside and I'll go in further details on the interior features and technologies. So jumping in the driver's seat, we have your multiple electric mirror and window adjustments and their central locking. Then we've got your touch sensitive automatic light controls, ensuring they're always on at the correct times. And then we also have your digital cockpit where we can find your key driver information and settings. This is designed to enhance your experience. And then moving on to multi-function steering wheel. So here we can access some of the car's functionalities whilst keeping our focus directly ahead. The adaptive cruise control is on the left, which is really handy for them long stretches on the motorway. And then using the controls on the right, you can customise your digital cockpit. Moving over to the centre, so here we have your infotainment system where we can access all the car's different features. So firstly, we have your Bluetooth telephone preparation, which will allow you to make hands-free calls nice and safely on the go. We also got your FM and DAB digital radio, providing you with an NSS station to keep you entertained during them longer trips. In this car, you also benefit from your satellite navigation, which can also be displayed in your cluster. This will help you to plan your route stress-free. We've also got your app connection, so you can pair your phone to the car, which allows you to stream your phone apps. We've also got your ambient lighting pack, so you've got your 30 customisable colours to choose from. You can select your own individual tone. This just allows you to add your own personal stamp to the vehicle. And then when popping the car into reverse, this is how your parking camera will appear on the screen. Then you do also have the additional support from your front and rear parking sensors to ensure you never need to put parking up again. You've also got your driving profiles. You've got your Eco, Comfort, Sport and Individual, allowing you to choose your preferred driving style. And then moving on to your assistance, it's got your side assist, got your dynamic road sign display, got your lane assist, your front assist for emergency braking, your adaptive cruise control, as well as your driver alert system. With this car, you'll benefit from your climate controls, offering yourself and your front passenger your own individual airflow settings. Your rear passengers have their own in the back. You've got your smart climate as well as your classic climate. We've got your touch sensitive shortcut buttons. We have dual ports to charge multiple devices on the go. We've also got your wireless phone charging function. And we've got your gloss black console. You'll also benefit from an electronic park brake with auto hold for added ease for the driver. Then moving down, we have some cup holder storage as well as a handy space for your keys, as well as some additional storage space underneath the armrest. So thank you for watching this video in this Volkswagen approved used Golf style, which does include a 2-year warranty as well as 2 years roadside assistance, along with additional benefits and flexible finance packages available. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, please contact us now on 01978 340 600.